Hi everyone, Searing Frost here with another Python Basics video. Today, we'll be talking about files in Python. Python has a ton of great utilities for working with files, especially text files. We're just going to go over the basics of reading from files and writing to files in this video. Reading from files in Python is very easy using the with keyword. With lets Python take care of the business of opening and closing our files, and we can just focus on getting our work done. The open function takes a file path and opens the file for you in the with context. Here we open myfile.txt and assign the file handler to the variable myfile. We then read the contents to the variable fileContents. There are several ways to read the contents of a file. The most common will be the file.read method, and you can also use iteration. The read method reads all the file's contents to a variable. We can also iterate line by line using a for loop. Here we open myfile again and print out the contents line by line. Writing to files is just as easy in Python using the with keyword. You just need to specify in the open function that you want to write to the file with the mode argument. Specifying the character lowercase w as the mode means write. It defaults to read only, which you can make explicit with a lowercase r. Here we write the string searing frost to the file searingfrost.txt. Then we read the contents to see the result. Thanks for watching this introduction to files in Python. Links to the code and my blog post on files are in the description. I'll see everyone next time.